Okay, in the last class, we were discussing about the preparation of alcohols. So we have seen many examples regarding to the preparation of alcohols from alkenes, and we have seen mechanism, that is stepwise representation of the reaction in which the alkenes, that is double bonded compounds, can be easily converted into alcohols. But in this class, we will study about the preparation of phenols. So there are various steps in which there are preparation of phenols can be seen, and the main thing is you can observe here the phenols are the class of compounds in which OH group is attached to the, that is a cyclic ring, that is aromatic ring, or you can call it as a benzene ring, right? So there are various examples and reactions for the preparation of phenols, and one important among them is from haloarenes, right? So if you divide the word haloarene, already we have studied haloalkane and haloarene. So if you divide the word haloarene, you will get two words. One is halo and second one is arene, right? So in arenes, the carbon is always double bonded, which we call it as the sp2 hybridized carbon atom, to which the OH group is attached, and this is the cyclic ring, right? So this is an example for phenol. So in which the aromatic ring is bonded to OH, and this compound we are preparing here, right? So from haloarenes, for example, if you take a chlorobenzene, right? So if you fuse that chlorobenzene with NaOH, there is sodium hydroxide, and at a certain temperature of 623 Kelvin and 320 atmospheric pressure, the phenol can be obtained by acidification of sodium phenoxide, right? So if you write the reaction, so here if you observe the benzene ring which is bonded with chlorine, right? So that is chlorobenzene plus NaOH, sodium hydroxide. So in presence of the temperature, that is 623 Kelvin and 300 atmospheric pressure, 623 Kelvin and 300 atmospheric pressure, it will convert into sodium phenoxide. It will convert into sodium phenoxide, right? So that is O Na plus, right? So positive charge will be on the sodium atom and negative charge will be on the oxygen atom, right? So therefore here on the addition of NaOH, that is base, to the haloarene like a chlorobenzene or bromobenzene, there is a formation of sodium phenoxide, right? So further in presence of acidic medium, right? So like HCl, further in presence of acidic medium, what happens? So it will convert into phenol, right? So this is very simple reaction. So initially we have taken haloarene. So haloarene in presence of base at 623 Kelvin and 300 atmospheric pressure, there is a formation of sodium phenoxide, right? So this is sodium phenoxide, right? So this sodium phenoxide further in presence of acidic medium, that is HCl, it will convert into phenol. That is very simple reaction, right? So second one is preparation of phenols from benzene sulfonic acid. Preparation of phenols from benzene sulfonic acid, right? So similarly, even in case of haloarenes also we have seen with help of benzene sulfonic acid we have prepared the haloarenes also. The same reaction here we are used for the preparation of phenols, right? So if you take aromatic ring like benzene, right? So if you react with oleum, right? So oleum is the molecular formula H2S2O7, H2S2O7, that is oleum. So whenever you react that oleum with benzene, it will convert into benzene sulfonic acid, which means in the first step we will prepare benzene sulfonic acid, that is SO3H, that is SO3H. Further in presence of base, that is NaOH, and in presence of acidic medium, in presence of base and in presence of acidic medium, what happens? So this SO3H group will convert into OH group. This SO3H group will convert into OH group. Therefore, we can easily prepare the benzene from sulfonic acid, right? So in the first reaction, we have prepared the phenols from haloarenes. In the second reaction, we have prepared the phenols from benzene sulfonic acid, right? And the third reaction is preparation of phenols from diazonium salts. Preparation of phenols from diazonium salt, right? So as we I explained earlier classes. So that is diazonium means di means two, azo means nitrogen nitrogen double bonded compounds, right? So here diazonium salts are the class of compounds which are having nitrogen nitrogen double bonded, right? So for example, if you take aniline, aniline means so the benzene ring which is bonded with NH2, right? So this will call it as aniline. Aniline is a class of compound in which the aromatic ring, that is benzene ring, which is bonded to the NH2, right? So in presence of sodium nitrate, right? So in presence of sodium nitrate with HCl, that is NaNO2, right? So in presence of HCl, it will convert into benzene diazonium chloride. It will convert into benzene diazonium chloride, that is N2Cl, right? So wherever there is N2, it is positively charged, and Cl is a halogen, it is always negatively charged. Remember this one, this is very important. There is a formation of N and N, that is double bonded compound, that is N2. So therefore this is called as a benzene diazonium, right? So aza group, right? So aza means, so it consists of nitrogen nitrogen double bonded, right? So benzene diazonium chloride, benzene diazonium chloride. So it is benzene diazonium chloride. In the further reaction with the water molecule, in the further reaction with water molecule, so it can convert into phenol. In further reaction with water molecule, it can convert into phenol. Along with there will be a side product, that is liberation of nitrogen and HCl, right? So there is a liberation of dinitrogen, and along with that the HCl molecules are liberated. This is very simple reaction. So whenever you take aniline in presence of nitrous acid, that is NaNO2, and in presence of acidic medium, that is HCl, there is a mixture of nitric acid, right? So and further it will convert into benzene diazonium chloride. Further in presence of water molecule, right? So what happens? This N2 will be given outside, and there will be a formation of OH, because this water molecule will split into H plus and OH minus, right? So one of the OH molecule will bond to the at the position of that is aza group, and further it will convert into phenol, right? So here if you observe, the phenols can be prepared from haloarenes also, the phenols can be prepared from benzene sulfonic acid also, and the phenols also prepared from diazonium salts also, right? So in the diazonium salts, initial reactant was aniline. So further in presence of nitrous acid, it convert into benzene diazonium chloride, it convert into benzene diazonium chloride. Further in presence of water molecule, it will convert into phenol along with the liberation of dinitrogen and HCl molecule. And we'll see one more important reaction, that is preparation of phenol from cumene. Preparation of phenol from cumene, right? So cumene is also called as isopropyl benzene, right? So cumene is a class of compound which is also known as isopropyl benzene, right? So with the help of cumene, right, so when you oxidize means addition of oxygen. So due to the addition of oxygen, it can be easily converted into cumene hydroperoxide, right? So further on the addition of water molecule in acidic medium, we can easily convert that, into phenol, right? So it is very simple reaction and very important reaction. So I will write the reaction. So cumene, the benzene ring which is bonded with CH, CH3 and CH3, so it is called as cumene, right? So it is also known as isopropyl, right? So benzene, right? So propyl means there are 3 carbon atoms which are in contact with the benzene ring, so therefore it is called as propyl, right? So this cumene or isopropyl benzene, so in presence of oxygen, right, so it will convert into cumene hydroperoxide, right? So cumene will convert into cumene hydroperoxide, that is CH3, right? So CH3, and it is OOH, right? So these are the molecules which are converted from cumene. So in presence of oxidation or addition of oxygen, the cumene can be easily converted into cumene hydroperoxide, right? So they can be easily converted into cumene hydroperoxide. Further, in presence of acidic medium, that is H plus ions, further in presence of acidic medium, that is H plus ions, and in presence of water molecule, we can convert that into phenol, right? So this is phenol, right? So in the first step we have taken, so that is cumene, which is also known as isopropyl benzene. So this isopropyl benzene, in presence of oxygen or due to oxidation, it can be converted into cumene hydroperoxide. It can be easily converted into cumene hydroperoxide. Here if you observe, right, so that so here there is attachment of OOH, right? So therefore, due to the addition of oxygen molecule, so it will convert into cumene hydroperoxide. In further step, on the addition of acidic medium, that is H plus as well as H2O molecules, there will be a removal of all this group, and there is an attachment of OH group, that is a formation of phenol, right? So along with that, so acetone will be the side product. Here if you want the side product, so you can write the side product, that is a CH3COCH3, right? So like this we can prepare the phenols from different reactions, as we said. So there are 4 reactions for your syllabus. First one is preparation of phenols from haloarenes, right? So in haloarenes, right, so whenever the chlorobenzene, so this is chlorobenzene, right? So this is chlorobenzene. So this chlorobenzene, when reacts with NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, at 623 Kelvin at 300 atmospheric pressure, it will convert into sodium phenoxide, and in presence of acidic medium like HCl, it will convert into phenol, right? So this one is phenol. And from a benzene sulfonic acid, so here if you take benzene, right, when you react this benzene with oleum, that is H2S2O7, molecular formula of oleum, so it will convert into benzene sulfonic acid, right? So this is benzene sulfonic acid. Further, on the treatment with the basic medium like NaOH, and in presence of H plus ions, it will convert into phenol, right? Similarly, from diazonium salt, third reaction is we can prepare phenols from diazonium salts. Whenever you take aniline means the benzene ring which is bonded to NH2, right? So in presence of NaNO2, and in case of acidic medium, it can be easily converted into benzene diazonium chloride. Here you can observe diazonium means nitrogen double bonded compound, and in presence of water molecule, it can be converted again into phenol, right? So in all the reaction we are talking about the preparation of phenols, right? So here in this case we can prepare phenol very easily from diazonium salts also. And the last reaction, and this is very important reaction, most of the time they have asked for your annual examination, so in the most of the question paper it has repeated, that is preparation of phenols from cumene, right? So very simple reaction. If you take cumenes are the class of compound which is also known as isopropyl benzene, because there are 3 carbon atoms on the benzene ring, we'll call it as a propyl group. So therefore, if you take a cumene in presence of oxygen, it can be easily converted into cumene hydroperoxide. Further on the addition of H plus ions and water molecule, it can be easily converted into phenols, right? So along with that, there will be a formation of side product, that is acetone, right? So here the main product, that is the important thing, is formation of phenol with the help of cumene, right? So most of the time they have repeated this question. Be careful with the question, right?